Hello guys, this is Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Pros, and in today's video we'll understand how to extract data from Google Maps. So we'll be using a simple Chrome based plugin. So let us head over to Chrome. This is Chrome and this is the plugin. I go here and I click on Google My Business. Okay, this is the window that opens up. Let me just search for something, say dentists. I'm searching for like in Arizona, I guess, and this is the pin code I want to target, 85210. Now come back here and I change the pin code to this and I click on start extracting. Now this software will go and start extracting from Google Maps. Okay, it will take some while. As of now it has found like one result. Give it some time. It's opening up here and slowly and steadily it will start pulling up results, and it will just keep extracting them one by one. So for now it has found 3 results. I will cut this video now and I'll come back to you later. So it has been a few minutes and it has already extracted 57 results, 36 websites, as you can see. Now if I go here and click on 50, it will show more results. Now this is what it is. Now if I click on stop extracting, if you leave it, it will start just keep extracting till the results end for the location pin code 85210. Let me click stop extracting. Now I can click scrape emails. So of the 37 websites it was able to detect, it will start scraping emails if they are present. Otherwise it will just say can't access website or whatnot. Let me just give it time. All the numbers are also extracted if they are available. See result in the emails are coming up one by one, a few emails if they are available. Otherwise it will just show this error of no email found or whatever. So this is the software. Now what we can do is like we can export it. We can click on if we just click on stop scraping, or let me just allow it to finish. 9 more left. Once it finishes we can download it. Now we can just import these URLs which we are getting to our GSA website contact and like allow that software to submit the contact forms. Additionally we can send emails, do the cold mailing by taking these emails and sending our messages also. So there are 2 ways in which we can access these businesses and sell our products or services. Okay, I will just download here and it will start downloading. A few of the earlier ones that I did extract are these. As you can see, a lot of URLs came here, a few more came here. Also I'm thinking of starting a course, launching a course on GSA website contact and how to use it to fill website contact forms, because a lot of people have been asking me for support, and I'm thinking of launching a course. In that course I'm thinking of giving this tool away for free. So once again, this is Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Bros, and please like, subscribe and comment on this channel. Thank you.